about Customgpt.ai. You heard that ChatGPT like same platform this. You can use for content generation for the several type of industries, and also use in digital marketing platform like blogging, like website content, SEO, and another as well. Simply you can sign up here, and after that you can use it and integrate a multiple platform through this platform. You can see that, and you can also purchase a paid platform from this platform, and you can also earn money from this platform through a affiliate e-marketplace partner stack, and you can join easily and earn money through this platform to engage a content of this platform at your platform. Now you understood how to use custom GPT.ai.